In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Payoneer customer support. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose the support method that best fits your situation. Start by opening your preferred web browser, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another option you trust. In the search bar, type Payoneer and click the official website from the results. Make sure you're on the real site by checking for the secure padlock icon and the correct URL so you're protecting your account from lookalikes. Once you're on the site, log into your account using your credentials. Enter your username and password carefully, especially if you're on a shared or public device. Avoid saving your login details on computers you don't control, and only proceed if you recognize the login page as legitimate. After you've signed in, scroll to the bottom of the page and look for the help or support link. Click it to open the support center. This is your hub for contacting Payoneer and getting assistance tailored to your account. Now choose how you want to reach out. If you need quick, real-time help, start a live chat with a support agent. It's designed for faster back and forth, though availability can depend on your time zone. Keep the chat window open and have your details ready so you can move through verification and explanations smoothly. If your issue needs a thorough write-up, send a message using the support request form. Clearly describe what's happening and what you've already tried. Include helpful context like transaction IDs, dates, or timestamps, and any relevant account information. Stick to essential details. Never include sensitive data like full passwords or full card numbers. The clearer your message, the faster the team can route it and respond. If you prefer to speak with someone, use phone support. On the Support Center page, find the customer support number for your region and place the call. Be prepared for possible wait times and keep your key details handy to speed things up once you're connected. After contacting support, wait for assistance based on the method you chose. Live chat usually gives immediate responses. If you sent a message, watch for a reply by email and check your spam or promotions folder just in case. With phone support, you'll have a direct conversation and can often resolve complex concerns on the spot. To recap, live chat is typically the fastest, messages or email are best for detailed issues, and phone calls work well for complex concerns. Be clear, be specific, and have your information ready. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Payoneer tips and tutorials.